this is Healthcare Marketing Strategies. I'm Jennifer Michelle. These are little video segments that are designed to help marketers in the health world understand how to use news in the healthcare world to improve their outreach and their marketing. So today I want to talk about Biden's new plan for long COVID. So this has several different parts within the plan, and one is to expand long COVID treatment in centers within the VA, so in the Veterans Administration. I'm going to read some of my notes. It's also about creating centers of excellence across the country for treating long COVID, and it's about strengthening coverage for long COVID, and it's about accelerating research. So one of the things I love about this, and this is because I really focus a lot on voice of customer research, is that this is a case of public health organizations, and in this case the federal government being one, listening to what people want. And I know a lot of people are concerned about long COVID, and we have been for 2 years, and it's really something that's been increasing, and what are we going to do about that, and what does it really mean, and how is it affecting people? So I think this is a wonderful example of that, and I think you can use it if you are addressing a number of different target audiences. So here are some ideas. I'm going to just refer to my notes here. So one, if you work with the VA, they're going to need to know more about this. They're going to need to know how they can access any funding. They might need to know how it's applied. If you can provide that information to them, if they're a part of your target audience, then that's going to be a huge help to them. So other things might be research labs. They might also need some help with this. If they're going to be accelerating research, maybe that's something that would be of use to them to know. Maybe it's funding that they didn't realize they might be able to access. And another thing, and I think this is very important, if you really focus on better patient outcomes, if your technology helps with that or helps measure that, this also might be something that can be helpful, especially if you're supporting any of the centers of excellence, or if maybe your target audience wants to get involved with that. And lastly, the payers. If you work with payers, this is something that might be impacting them. How is this going to be covered? What is the funding when they're saying they're strengthening coverage? What are the requirements on that? What is that going to have as a ripple out effect into all of the different payer categories? So these are things that you can think about and use them to create educational content for your target audience. So take that back to your team, see if it might apply to your target groups. And if you have any questions, you can find me at michellemarketingstrategies.com. Follow me for more.